Now, how to read note with AI in Blacknote Notepad Notes. Now here, click on the Blacknote here. Open it. Note here, you can see the table of my notes. Now go to the particular note where you want to read here. Remember, this is a trick. You can try it on Android or iOS and tell me on the comment section how it works on your device. Now what you do now is just press on the note like this, select the one you want it to read like this, and then you can see this notification that show up on the screen here. You can see it, copy, share, or select all. Now click on the side facing arrow here. Now here, click on read aloud here, click on it. Now you see it,
exponential rate impacting nearly every facet of human life. Trends include,
you see it, it just read it out. You can read all the notes just by clicking on it again like this. Now click on select all. Now click on read it aloud here.
Technology is improving at an exponential rate, impacting nearly every facet of human life. Trends include increased processing.
Also, you can pause it by clicking on the pause icon here to pause it. Now also, you can set the text how you want it to be while it is reading it by clicking on this setting icon here. You select the text and also the speed you want it to be reading it at. You see it, select the text here like this. You see it, you select the speech, the reading speed here like this, and then click on done after you have set it here. Now you play it again.
Slowing still drives innovation.
Smaller, you see it,
faster and more.
So don't do this thing while it is reading it. Don't slide the screen or don't let the screen go off. Just keep on tapping on it each time the screen is going down, and then let it read your notes.
Transistors lead to more powerful devices.
You see it? As you can see, you can also slide the note while it is reading it here by sliding here.
Multi-core processors and distributed computing cloud enable faster processing of large data sets.
That's how to read note with AI in Blacknote. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch the video on the screen now to know how to use this Blacknote Notepad Notes. Also, you can find a link in the description section. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.